YouTube? It's Valerie with another video for you guys. So I always say this, that I've been on YouTube for about 10 years now, and I'm not really sure how many of you out there in YouTube world even still tunes into my videos, but that's okay. I still thought I would check in and give a quick hair update. It is June 2021, and yeah, I did a keratin on my hair last week. On Friday. I do them myself. I've actually gotten very good at doing my own keratin treatments. So yeah, I did my own keratin. I washed it out this past Monday. And so this is what it looks like just after I wash out a keratin treatment. So I don't know if I really need to explain what a keratin treatment is, but you know, it's just a way of controlling the frizz and smoothness in your hair without having to get a relaxer. So it's just a way, you know, of managing your hair. So I did my first wash after keratin Monday evening, and so I haven't washed it since. So let me go ahead and take it down and show you guys what my hair looks like right now. So this is what my hair looks like. Now, for those of you who are familiar with my hair, you know that my hair is not thick. My hair is actually it's not that it's not thick, but my individual strands are extremely, extremely fine. So my hair does not appear very thick. So then when you factor in that with the fact that I just got a smoothing treatment, you know, my hair is going to look very, very limp. So warning, warning, warning. My hair is going to look very, very, you know, not very full. Also, I did cut myself. I cut some layers into the front of my hair. So, and I did it, I pulled up about, you know, this area of my hair here, and I cut it all and then layered it to my face. You can see like the different layers here. And they go all the way down, and they're inside my hair as well. So I don't know if you can see. No, not right there. I don't know where they are, but I do have layers in my hair. So that's gonna make my hair appear even, you know, thinner toward the ends. So that's the one thing. When you have fine hair or thin hair, layers aren't the best thing because they actually make your hair look thinner. But I did want something different around my face, you know, especially as my hair is growing. I just thought it would be a nice look. So anyways, yeah, so my hair is pretty smooth right now. That's what I love about keratins, is that you can have like that relaxer look, but without having to worry about the level of damage to your hair. And you know, and as you know, this is not permanent. It washes out over like 3 to 4 months. So it's not the best of both worlds here. Yeah, this is my hair here. You can see I just did a trim not too long ago. So it's like those bump edges, super even. You can see that, or not really, yeah, even and blunt edges. But this is my hair. Let's see, maybe I should try to, you can really see my front layers right here. I can never do a middle part worth to save my life. Okay, there it is better. Ah, it looks a little better. Yeah. So you guys all know like the big 70s hair is coming back. So what I'm going for is like the 70s Brady Bunch, super long, pin straight ironed hair look for right now. I don't know if I could ever have the big hair. My hair is just way too fine for that. But yeah, so this is my hair right there. Yeah, let me go ahead and show you the back of my hair. Grab my mirror. So wait, let me show you the side first. So this is the back of my hair. Let me see if I can show you a length where it is lengthwise. Because like I said, I just gave myself a haircut where I put layers in. And I probably took couple of inches actually off of my hair when I did that as well. It's my hair length right now. Don't fall, Valerie, don't fall. Yes, that's my hair. Yeah, so that's my hair. Now in about 2 more washes, the fullness will start to come back as the keratin starts to wash out. And that's when I think it looks the best, is after probably the first 3 or 4 washes, because then it's smooth and everything, but not so, you know, so super straight. So yeah, guys, that's my hair update. Yep. So what I'm doing is I am still doing the keratin treatments every 3 to 4 months. That's really all I do. And I use I mentioned on a previous video, I made myself a length retainer mixture. So I've been diligently applying that. So that's really been helping me with maintaining the length. And you can see my layer here. I just love these layers. Oh, I love these. But anyways, yeah, so that's been helping me to retain length. And I apply it every single night, and then I loosely bun my hair with a satin hair tie, so so where you don't get breakage. Put it in a loose bun, take it out, and usually I just put it in a ponytail. So that's my hair, guys. That's really it. So yeah, for any of you who are still out there and find my videos, still interesting, thank you for still watching. And yeah, all right, bye.